Hey everyone, my name is Priyanka Sahu and I'll be the host for today's meeting. Today is April 7th, 2023, and we are in the week 13 of 127 release cycle. Before we get started, I have dropped a link to this agenda document. Please feel free to add yourself as attendee. Thank you. And this meeting goes by the CNCF Code of Conduct, which comes down to please be nice and helpful to each other. Thank you. We don't have anything in the open discussion items. If anyone wants to bring anything, please feel free to do now. A friendly reminder, we'll be having our retrospective meetings around the conclusion of this release cycle. We'll be having 2 more meetings. So if you have any feedback, comments, anything that you want to talk about to the SIG release wider group or release team, feel free to add your points in the retrospective document, which is linked here. And I'll wait for a minute if anybody wants to talk about anything else. If not, let's move to enhancements. Do we have anyone on the call from enhancements? If not, I believe enhancements is green now. We are past enhancements, freeze, code freeze both. And we have a tracking, final tracking number, which is we are tracking 60 enhancements for this cycle. So I believe that will be the ongoing status for enhancements team, which is green. Over to you, Drew, with CI signal.
Hi, so our CI signal is green. We have 3 flaky tests in master informing and 3 in master blocking, but all the master blocking flakes are being observed and should not block the release. Kubernetes 1.27 release candidate 1 is live, so that's really exciting. We're getting really close to being at the end of the release here. So
great. Yeah. Thank you so much for all your work there. It's really great to see no failing tests now. We don't want any more failing tests now at this point. So thank you for tracking the flaky, and I hope they go green as well soon. Any questions for CI signal? If not, over to you, Angelos, with bug triage.
Yes, our status is green. The board is not empty. We have one PR that was open for 127 yesterday, which is an automated therapy. So I will just follow up with the SIG node, which is about the PR. But other than that, the status is green, and there are no release blockers for the stable release next week. That's all.
Thank you. Just coming back to the open PR, is it regarding the Go update or something else?
No. It's an automated cherry pick for something.
Oh, cherry pick. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for the update. Any questions for bug triage or Angelos? If not, thank you. Do we have anyone on the call from Dogs team? Looks like this is an update from Wednesday. No, I think I'm far. We did not have any update on Monday as well, and last updates looks like the team was struggling with a few docs PR, which did not make it to the docs deadline. I assume there is a bit more progress on that now. With that, let's move to release notes with Sanjita.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanjita from Release Notes. The current status of Release Notes is green. Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Sanjita.
So the current status is green, and the draft PR for 1.27 beta release has been merged. The draft PR for the RC release is under review process. That's all from Release Notes.
Thank you. Thank you for the update. It's good progress there. Thank you. Any questions for release notes or Sanchita? Thank you. Over to you, Harshita, with comms. I'm not sure. Harshita, are you on call? Or if anyone is here from comms team, or I can read it out. Comms status is green. Harshita, comms lead and release leads are trying to talk to CNCF to schedule the live webinar for the 127 release. And I believe that's now scheduled for April 14th. And 14 release blogs, feature blogs made to the ready for review deadline, and one out of um, previously opted in is cancelled now. So that's the update from comms. Overall, they seem to be green. That's good. Um, we, I believe we don't have anyone from release branch management, but update would be around 127 RC cut, which went successfully. So great work there. James update from Wednesday meeting is the shadows and leads should be expecting the mid shadow survey coming soon, and more details on the retrospective meetings that will happen around the end of the release cycle. So let's hope we get more information around that before KubeCon. And Xander and James, I believe both of them are working with the role leads right now for succession. So I'll just repeat it again for everyone. If you are interested in being lead for 128 release cycle, any role lead, please make sure to share your interests with either your role leads or James or Xander. Um, yeah, thank you. And I we don't have anyone from Six Scalability, and with that, I'll just go ahead and stop the recording. But before that, if anyone has anything you want to talk about, please feel free to do it now.
Yeah, I'm a little curious. Is there any, if someone wants to be a shadow again, is there going to be a form for that?
Yeah, so Leo is the enhanced emeritus advisor for 128, and Grace the lead. So they are working right now on prepping for the new release, and we should soon be getting a form um, similar to the shadow release shadow form that we had received in past cycles. We'll be getting that soon, maybe around 11th of April or a day or two after that, and that will stay open, I believe, by end of April. So you'll soon be getting that more information about that on dev mailing list and in SIG release channel. But yeah, it would be a form coming out soon. Yeah. um does that help?
Yeah, that does. Thank you.
Thank you. So if anyone does not have any more questions, I'll go ahead and stop the recording.